Hello, Rai. Good morning.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, Ivan. How are you? Good morning. You're fine? Okay.
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear. Hey, when did you change your name to Umema?
How did it come?
How did it come? You just go to rename and do it. It's okay. You are alert.
Yes.
Shruti ma'am, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir.
Right, ma'am.
Am I
Good
audible?
morning, ma'am.
Good
Yes.
morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Just, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
All of you have come?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You know how this is the last class for them for the whole week, and I had started the Mandela link, and I was waiting for everybody to join in. We all
Okay.
are, it's just first week blues, and I was wondering why is no one joining in. And then
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
oh, that's Humaira, wonderful. Okay, that's Hamdan. I'll rename Hamdan to make it easy for Shruti ma'am.
Okay, 13 is the strength for this class, right, sir? Right.
13, yes.
Yes.
I think 13 or 14. Yeah, Muhammad joining is 14 now.
Okay, 14, but I have 13 list 1, 2, 3.
No, do you see Muhammad's name in that? I think I missed Muhammad Saqib from
Yes,
Dubai.
2 Muhammads are there, right?
No,
Muhammad.
then perfect. Yeah, that's the right spelling then.
Yeah, that is 13 only. Okay, children, I gave you assignment last week. I saw your answers on Google Classroom. Some of you have sent, and rest of you also try to solve the questions. Only 4 questions were there. You just have to write the number names. So is it clear what we did in the last class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I had did it, but the Google Classroom till then didn't come, so I sent it on the right group.
Okay, I'm not there on right group. Okay, so I can't see that. Okay, you keep it whenever you are able to log in through Google Classroom, you just upload it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Shruti ma'am, do you want me to add to another group or is it okay? Right group?
Oh, it's fine, sir. Already
Yeah,
so
I
many
know. No,
assignments
I'm
on
not
WhatsApp.
kept Shazia, you in half of the groups because there's too many messages. And it's good.
Yeah.
Abdullah, you have your assignment with you, resend it on the Google Classroom. See,
Okay.
Yeah.
what happens is when you send an assignment to Google Classroom, as teachers, we can see it and it stays there also. So all of you
Yes.
make an attempt and we'll keep learning about Google Classroom, all of you and us also. So don't worry.
Yeah, I have uploaded one more assignment for today. I have just now uploaded. So after the class, you can go through that assignment also. Any doubt is there, sir? How will they ask doubt? They can ask it on Google Classroom.
Yes, they can ask.
Yes.
So in Google Classroom is also there is a feature like a WhatsApp. So when you go to Google Classroom, your
Yeah.
first 3 lines that you have. Let me see. Can I take 2 minutes and explain that to them,
Yeah, sure,
or
sir.
you want to do it at the end of the class? I have got.
No, you can continue, sir. I'll also see.
Okay.
Ma'am, you uploaded on the Google Classroom the homework?
Yes. The second
Ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. When you say ma'am, no, just tell your name. Ma'am, I'm Aisha here. I'm Juwaria here. So it's easy sometimes. Although you're not too many, but still it's easy.
Okay. Yes, sir. You were saying something?
Okay, so I'm just showing them the Google Classroom idea. Let me see if I can show it to them here. Can you see my screen here, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so what you have to do is, let's say I'm just going to one of the classes here, right? Can you see the screen, Shruti ma'am?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay,
So go to maths only because I have uploaded an assignment. I want to see whether it is there or not.
okay, all right. Okay, then you will have to.
Ma'am.
I'm using Shazia's laptop, so
Okay,
I'll
okay.
just sample it, and
Okay,
then
no
I'll
issue.
probably log in
Yeah,
from
yeah.
other. Yeah, I'll just log in from other laptop of mine. I'm just giving an example. So if I look at arts, right?
Ma'am, is my assignment checked?
That's Aisha. Okay, Aisha, we'll check right now. Okay, hold on. I'll go to
Yeah.
ma'am's account because I might be a co-teacher. Am I an add-on teacher? I'll explain here, but it'll be easy for all of you.
No, I
Okay,
don't.
so moment you log in, you see a screen like this. Okay, this is more of a teacher screen, but very similar screen. So there are 3 things. Can you read? Okay, Juwaria, read the first one. What is it? Yeah, it is stream. Okay, stream as in water. Abdullah, read the next one.
Classwork.
Great. Muhammad, read the third one. Two Muhammad are there. Muhammad Mumbai, read the third one. People. Muhammad Dubai, read the fourth one.
Grades.
Okay, so I'm sure you all can see it very well. Now, what you see is stream is more like your messaging service, right, Shruti ma'am? Anything
Yeah.
you want to write to the class, it's a stream. So I click on the stream. This is it'll open on your screen. I want to give a message here. So this is for Curie Arts, but say everyone send your paintings here. Okay. So and I do the post of it. So if I go a little down, you can see the post, and I can just post it. I can schedule it, and this is like your WhatsApp now. Everybody can see it, and others can also reply. So this is, of course, I put Shazia ma'am's name. So now, as a student, you want to say, "Ma'am, I don't know what to do. Help me, ma'am." So the message comes here. Okay, and I can you can post it also. So this is where, Shruti ma'am, any announcement you need to make, anything you need to make, you put it here. Now it's only for the teacher. Now I'll go back to my arts class, just a journal one right now. And where do I see if I have any assignment, if I have any homework?
Are in this class?
What do you mean? Which class?
This one?
No, this is a sample. This is a sample. I'm showing example. Actually, the best one would be I'll go to Shruti ma'am's class itself, and I'll go. But remember, then there's a classwork. You go to classwork here, okay? And in classwork, you will see what is your classwork. So students, when you go to classwork, it's a Shruti ma'am has given assignment. You can see that, ma'am. You can see an assignment that you have given here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I create a classwork. Let's say I just want to send you the PowerPoint presentation that ma'am just made today. So instead of anything, I'll go to the material and I click on material, and I'll get a screen. I can write down. Always remember, for teacher now, just write down the topic, whatever you want to. It's very, you can use the same topic. I can say unit 1 painting. I can do a different topic. So it's easy. So everything will be arranged very nicely in one place. People, of course, if I want to add, so these are my 3 teachers I've added. So there are 3 teachers, and grades. Right now we are not doing any grading, but you will come to a grading. Very simple. So you'll see all the names of students who have been graded. Right now only the hand-ins are there. Grades are not there because I've not graded it. If I go to a main class right now, see there's a to-do list. Can you see a to-do list?
Yeah.
Everybody has a teacher's to-do list will be the student has given the assignment. Please review it. So right now, see, for me, I have got no to-do list right now. I've got 3 students have returned it. Have I checked it? Yes, I've checked it. 7, have I returned it to them? I've turned 1 to them. Okay. So student.
So like this.
See, it's difficult, Hamza, to see a mobile phone, but something like that. What you can see, that there is nothing to be worried about. What I'll do is, when Shruti ma'am's class ends today, I will go to her class and we will show this again, ma'am.
Okay. I need to add you, sir, because I have not added anyone, I think.
No, so what I'll do, ma'am, I've always added to all your classes as a student. So it's good. I will join your class as a student. This is a teacher's view. Let us go to student view and we'll see if you have given the assignment to us or not. You can take a class, say at 10:40, I will join you and we'll do this little review. Is that okay? You have half an hour? That'll be enough for today?
It's okay. Yeah,
okay.
that's fine.
Class is yours, ma'am. So I'll stop the show.
Okay.
And you also co-host.
Okay, fine. Now I can mute them, right?
You can, yes. Just all time. I don't know for iPad. We'll figure it out.
I just do it individually.
Okay. No, everybody. No, these are big boys and girls. Everybody mute yourself. Rushda, Muhammad, everyone. Ibrahim. Oh, fantastic. Oh, they are like Muhammad M. Brilliant. That's it, ma'am. Your students are brilliant. Hey, this is
okay. Thank you.
Ibrahim Rizwani and Hamdan Fazlani class. It's a brilliant class.
Okay, great.
Okay. See, Ibrahim, you can also smile. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye, sir. Okay, let us start with the class. Any doubt in the last class? Last class we did Indian number system. Okay. So anyone, just write it in the chat box only. What are the sequence of number system? We started from extreme right. Okay. So what is the first thing that we count?
Yeah. What is the first thing? Ones, please. Ones, tens, 100. Can anybody write in the chat what is the sequence of the number system when we count it? It is only one. It is only one. So write the sequence, full sequence. Ones, tens, 100 till crore you have to write. So from right, how do you count it? Ones, tens, Then full sequence. All of you are writing? Yes.
Once then crore.
You need to write it. I want to see it who is writing, because I cannot understand who is speaking, right? All of you have written once only. You have to write the full sequence. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After that, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Till 1 crore you have to write.
Ma'am, full we want to write. Ma'am,
Yes?
my chat box is not getting opened.
Not getting, just click on the chat at the bottom.
I'm trying to, but it is not getting clicked.
Okay, then you answer first. First you answer. Tell me, what's your name?
Next,
Hamza?
Hamza.
Yeah, you tell me now.
Units, tens,
Yes.
hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore.
Great, very good. Okay, Humaira, can you speak? Just unmute yourself and answer me. What is the sequence? Yes, Ibrahim, I got your answer.
100,000,
No, after ones, what is it? After ones?
tens,
Yes, you have to speak tens also, no? You missed tens. Okay, now ones, tens, then?
10, 100,
Ma'am, I send it.
1,000,
I saw it.
lakh. Ma'am, I also sent it.
I'm seeing, see, Muhammad Saqib, Yahya Rizwani, Abdullah, all answers I have seen, okay? Yes, yes. Humaira, tell me. Yeah, Humaira, tell me.
Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore.
Correct, very good. So all of you know the sequence. Now any number if I give you, you are able to write down the number names now. Okay, so when you are writing the number name, all the words, if it is written, write the number, write in words. So you have to write the number names also in words. Okay, if it is 1,200, so don't write only one as a number. You have to write O-N-E. Okay, so all numbers should be, everything should be in words. Okay, one of you, I think, wrote in just Muhammad, you wrote like that only in you have to write, you don't have to write in numerals, you have to write completely in words. So everything should be in words. Okay, understood? Okay, now we'll start. Yes, I got your answers. Aisha, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, all correct. Yes, Rashda, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Yes, correct. So all of you have learned the sequence. Now you have to remember this. Always, whenever the place value you have to find, how do we find the place value? That number into the number of zeros, that number of digits after the number, you have to count and put the number of zeros. Understood? Okay, let us start with the example and then you will understand. So I'm going to share my screen now. All of you can see this screen. Screen is visible, everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. I can see full screen.
Can see full screen. Okay. Okay, before beginning with the class, I'm just giving you, yes, thumbs up. I can see Hamza. This is, what number is this? 36.
36.
Okay, now
36.
write it in the chat only. You have to write in the chat box. How many ways can you make this number 36? First example I'm giving you. First example is, suppose 30 plus 6 is 36. Correct?
Yes.
So any other example you can give me? How can you make a number 36? You just write it in the chat box and I'll start checking. Anyways,
Plus 6 is 36.
36, one number, one I gave you the answer, 30 plus 6 is 36, correct? Yes. 18, very good, yeah, correct. 2115, what is it, Muhammad?
21 plus 15.
Yeah, you have to add. It is not that always addition, you can multiply also. 6 into 6 also makes 36, right? Subtract also, you can divide also. So many options are there. Yes, 21 plus 15. You have to write. Yes, very good. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. Correct. Anyone with minus, using minus? 40 minus
40
4.
minus 5.
Great, Muhammad. Muhammad Saqib. Yes. Umar Sharif. 15 plus 15. Correct. Very good. 36. What else? How many ways? Minus nobody has used. Okay, only Muhammad has used minus. Any other number? So many ways. There are number of ways you can make this number 36. Number of ways. So yes, 70. Okay, yes, correct.
45
Yeah.
minus 9. 45 minus 9, ma'am.
Very good. Rashda. 12 times 3 is correct. Yes. Abdullah, correct.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
45 minus 9.
You have to write it in the chat box so that I can see. 32.
My chat is not working. Ma'am.
Okay, your chat is. You are Hamza. Okay, yes. Yes, Hamza. Tell me.
45 minus 9 was 36.
Yes, correct. So you can see that so many. Yes, Muhammad, Abdullah, correct answer. Yes, correct answer. Anas, correct answer. So you know now. So all of you have given the answer. Everyone has given the answer in chat. Hamza has given orally. Zuwaira, did you give the answer? Zuwaira, you can write it here in chat box. Any way you can write. So is it clear? Any number you can make n number of times, n number of ways you can make a number. Okay. So
I said.
you send.
Yeah.
Okay. See, 26 plus 10, what is it? 36. 40 minus 4, you also wrote. Easiest one was 35 plus 1. That is the easiest number that anybody, if someone asks you how can you make a number, just subtract 1 or add 1. That is the easiest thing, right? 6 into 6, 9 into 4, that is also 36. 64 minus 28, 18 into 2. So many ways are there. 72 divided by 2. So many ways are there. You can make a number. Now coming back to our topic. Last time we did number system, number names in Indian numeric system. Now there are two forms in which you write a number. What are the two forms? Standard form and expanded form. Now what is this number? 2506986. You know where to put the arrows. Whenever you are writing it, this is called as standard form. When you write a number like this in a numeric system, it is called as standard form. So what is it? What is it? What is this number? How can you say this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is
25 lakh 6,986.
Great. This is 25 lakh 6,986. Where do you put an arrow? Where do you put it? Don't put anything, huh? Where do you put a comma is put after every, please mute yourself. Huh? Whenever I ask you question, just unmute and answer. Okay, all of you mute yourself. So this is standard form. You have to put the commas are also important when you are writing it in number form, in numeric form. In standard form, you have to put the commas. Commas is known to you where you have to put after, means when this 100 place is over, you have to put a comma. 2,000 place, then you have to put a comma for lakh, and then for crore you will put a comma. Understood? Where to put the commas? The periods are there. Is it clear where do you put the comma? Comma is very important. Just before the 100 place,
Yes.
before the lakh place, and before the crore place. You have to put a comma. Understood? When you are moving towards this side. So this is standard form. How do we write it in expanded form? In expanded form, you have to.
Can I tell?
This is correct. In expanded form, 6 into 1. 6 is unit place, 6 into 1. 8 is at tens place, so 8 into 10. 9 is at 100 place, so 9 into 100. 6 is at 1,000 place, so 6 into 1,000. 0 is at 10,000 place, so 0 into 10,000. 5 is at lakh place, so 5 into lakh. And 2 is at 10 lakh place, so 2 into 10 lakh. So this is the way how we write in expanded form. This is called as expanded form. Any number is given to you, you can write it in standard form, put arrows, you can write it in words, and you can write it in expanded form. Now, if place value is asked, suppose if I ask you, what is the place value of 9? So what is the answer?
100.
Muhammad,
100.
tell me what is the
900.
place value?
900.
900.
900.
Yes, Ibrahim, 900. It is not 100. 9 is at 100's place. But what is the place value? Always be clear in it. 100 is not the place value of 9 in this number. 900 is the place value of this number. Understood? You don't have to just say,
Ma'am, you did a mistake, ma'am.
where?
In in 25 lakhs, you did a mistake. 2 into 10 lakhs, it is, you wrote only 1 lakh, ma'am.
Is it ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh? Yes, correct. Very good. You should see this wherever. Okay, I'll correct it. It is now in slideshow. See, number of 0, one more 0 should be there. Okay, it should be 10 lakh. Here also lakh, here also lakh. Okay, so here it should be 10 lakh. Yes.
I didn't understand.
Who is it? Just tell me your name.
Aisha.
Aisha. Okay. What you have not understood? How to write it in expanded form?
Yeah.
Just put a 0. Yes, very good. Somebody has put a 0 over here. See, when you are writing it in expanded form, you know, first of all, you know what are the places of these numbers. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000, this is 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So zeros you already know.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Is this Indian or international?
See, expanded form is written in the same way in any form. When you are
No,
saying
ma'am,
it,
the second one. Because of the commas, I'm asking, is this the Indian or international?
it is Indian only. They are doing Indian only right now. I have not taught you international, right? So this number, those who have already understood, just write down this number in words and in expanded form. Okay?
Ma'am, in the chat box.
Yes, in the chat box. Then I'll till that time I'll explain Aisha the standard and expanded form. Okay, Aisha, you're there?
And what we have to do? What we have to write?
You have to write this in expanded form. Expanded form, you know, in terms of 0. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
in our
Aisha.
notebooks. In our notebooks.
In the chat you have to write. I'm just checking the chats. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Is it clear? Okay, Aisha. See, so 6 is at 1's place. So 6 into 1. 8 is at 10's place. So 8 into 10 you have to do plus. 9 is at what place? 100 place. So 9 into 100. 6 is at 1,000 place. So 6 into 1,000. All these numbers you have to add. You just have to increase 110 and move towards the left hand side till you reach the last number. This is the expanded form. When you add all these numbers, you will get this number. Understood? So this same number can be written in expanded form like this and can be written in standard form like this. Got it, Aisha?
Yeah.
Okay. So now do this 506 times 25. How will you write it in expanded form? 5 is at 1's place. So you will start from right hand side. 5 into 1 plus 2 into 10. I have not got any answer till now.
Ma'am, where is the multiplication sign? I'm not getting it.
Okay, you're not getting. It's okay. Okay, just tell me orally only. It's fine.
Okay, ma'am. 5 multiplied by 1 lakh.
No,
5 multiplied.
Yes, okay. Start 5 into.
5 into lakh, 1 lakh.
Yes, plus.
Plus,
Ma'am, can I say
plus
orally?
0 multiplied by 1,000.
Correct.
10,000.
No, 0 multiplied by 10,000. Yes. 6
Yes.
multiplied by.
6 multiplied by 1,000 and
Correct.
9 multiplied by 100 and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 and 5 multiplied by 1.
Yes. So you can see the answer over here.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have sent already.
You have sent, okay. So this is the number name. You will write 5 lakhs.
Can I say orally?
925. Yes.
Ma'am,
Even can I say orally?
No, he gave the answer. Na? Ibrahim gave the answer. That is the correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am, when we are speaking orally, that time we have to count the zero also.
Yes. You have to write, when you are writing in expanded form, you have to write the zero so that it is clear to you. Even if you don't write, it is correct. Because sometimes what happen, if you miss the zero, then you will, sometimes suppose you are writing 6 into 1000. And if you don't write this, you will write, you will write 5 into 10,000. By mistake,
We will forget.
you will forget, and by mistake, you might write like that. So that is why just include zero also, because you are increasing. See, I made one mistake. I didn't put 10. So when number of zeros are there might be some mistake. So you always have to count the number of zeros. Zeros are also very important. Okay.
Ma'am, is my correct?
Ma'am, so we have to write 0
Ma'am.
multiplied by 10,000.
10,000.
my correct?
Yes. And then 5 multiplied by lakh.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, I got the answer. Yes, correct. Muhammad Saqib, Anas.
ma'am, mine is correct. I sent it very before.
Ma'am,
Abdullah Patel.
I answered
Yes,
it the
Abdullah, I
first.
got your answer.
Ma'am, I answered it the
Muhammad
first.
Saqib also sent it. Abdullah, I got your answer. Yes, correct.
Ma'am, I answered it first.
For multiplication, you can use star mark. Okay, that is fine for multiplication. Even if you cannot use star
Okay.
mark, X is also correct. X is there in your keypad, na? X is there, na? So X is a multiplication sign.
okay.
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 Okay, so let us move on next. Okay, this is a number. Now this is clear. Now I'll ask Aisha, just orally you tell me, what is this number? What is the number name?
In places.
No, not in places. Just say the number name in words.
In
Like,
standard form.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
so let
Can
Aisha
I
speak
say?
first. Let Aisha speak. This is one.
2 1 7 72 and
No, you have to start from here.
Yes.
Just think. 1,
1,
10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is here. So how much? 21 lakh. You have to start with 21 lakh. Yes, Aisha. Now start 21 lakh. Then
21 lakh 6,000
yes,
972.
yes. Is she correct?
Yes.
She correct or
Ma'am,
not?
can I say?
Yes, she is correct.
She's correct now. Then why you want to say it again? Okay. So this is 21 lakh 6,972. So now you know the Indian number name. Now we'll go to international place value chart. Now whatever Indian number names we have learned, that also you have to remember. And this is a different way of writing number. This is international place value chart. All over the world, this thing is used.
Ma'am, the commas come in every 3. I know this.
Can I tell?
Yes, commas are. See, some of you already know, but some of you
Ma'am,
don't know. So
already
for
know.
everybody knows.
In our last school, it was there, ma'am.
But everybody,
Ask no previous.
all of you know this.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Explain it.
Ma'am, can I tell?
1,000.
So let me
I don't
explain once. Let me explain once. Then
Ma'am,
then
please, can I tell?
who is asking? Who is
Okay, listen,
asking?
I think everybody first listen to ma'am and hold on. Yes, ma'am, do you have the annotation? Somebody wrote a yes. Not happy with it? No annotation in ma'am's class? Ma'am, what we'll do is we'll allow them to annotate after it. But good, thank you.
Yeah.
These boys
Okay.
and girls are. So everybody, you will get your chance. See, there are so many students who may still not know. Yeah, Aisha, thank you for telling us. But absolutely right. Shruti ma'am has prepared a great talk. I'm also learning a lot. And these are the most important things you'll learn even if you do business. So keep
Yes.
learning. Be patient for others. And this is Golden Sparrow. All of us will learn everything together and relearn again.
Yes. So whatever you have learned, it is good to revise. So just revise those who already know this, and those who don't know, let me explain, so you will be able to understand everything. Okay, so let us start. So this is international place. Now everyone please mute yourself. International place value chart. Now how do we write international place value chart? You just divide it into periods. Now these are periods. I already told you in Indian system also we had periods of hundreds, then thousands, then lakhs, and then crores. Here you have periods of ones, thousands, millions, billions, and trillions. It goes on. Okay, so we will do till millions only. So first period is ones. Ones is same as Indian place value chart, which is what? Ones, tens, and hundred. This is same as Indian place value. So ones is same as Indian, ones in international and Indian place value chart, it is same. So ones, tens, hundred. Then comes thousand. Thousand in Indian place value chart, you have only 1,000 and 10,000. In international place value chart, you have 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. You can see over here, 100,000. So after 100, you have to put a comma. Okay, this is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then after 1,000, you have a period of millions. Millions means how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then 1 million. Then if you put
Ma'am.
1, yes.
Should we make this chart in our notebooks?
You don't need to make it. You just learn the sequence. That's all. Once you learn, and then you make it on your own. Understood? You don't need to copy it. You did an Indian place value chart, right? You wrote the ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like that. You wrote. Same way you have to write. You just write it in your notebook for your reference. Okay? You don't need to copy it. Understood? So where were we? This is 1 million. 1 million means how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. 10 million means one more zero, you'll get 10 million. 10 comma, then 3 zeros, then comma, then 3 zeros. Then 100 million, 3 zeros, and 2 zeros. So this is 100 million. Understood? I'll repeat. See, ones, tens, hundreds. This sequence you have to remember. Ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Understood the sequence?
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes, Aisha, did you understand the sequence?
ma'am, I want to ask you something. In international system, why there is no lakhs?
There is no lakhs because see, instead of lakhs, they have millions over here. They
But
don't
ma'am,
use.
if we want to give lakh, we want to give 1 lakh. So why?
So that also we'll study. How much is 1 lakh in millions? How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? You just see. How many zeros?
4.
6.
How many zeros are there?
5, 5, 5, 5,
6.
5.
So where can you find 5 zeros over here? 1 lakh is 100.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
100,000.
1 lakh is 100,000
100,000.
international place value chart. Sometimes people confuse between 1 lakh and 1 million. They are two different things. Okay. How many lakhs make 1 million? Can you see? How many lakhs will make
100,000.
10 lakhs. 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs? You just have to compare the zeros. In
10
1
lakhs.
lakh, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. And in 1 million, how many zeros are there?
6.
6 zeros.
6.
So if you divide, 10 lakhs will make 1 million. Understood? Understood the relation between international place value chart and Indian place value chart. They are two different things. Internationally, we use this number system, and in India, commonly we use lakh and lakh crore wala system, number system. Understood? So you need
Yes.
to remember both the number systems because it can be used anywhere. Understood? So any doubt? Is there anyone has doubt in this number system?
So
Okay, so then we'll do some questions so that you understand in a better way. This is a number. This is a number, okay? 243405518. Now I have written the numbers under the periods only. Okay, so you just have to write, you just have to tell me what is
Ma'am,
this
can I tell?
number.
Can I tell?
Just slowly,
Ma'am,
I'll
can I
ask
tell?
one by
Tell
one.
this.
Can I
I'll
tell?
ask one
Can
by
I
one.
tell,
Wait,
ma'am? Tell this.
Can I tell?
I'll ask. Yes, Aisha Kazi, tell me what is this number? 24. So where is it? Not 24, 243. So 243, how will you pronounce? 200, 243 million.
43 million.
Okay, you
Um,
put a comma over here. 400,
400, 5,000, 518.
correct. So this is the way you pronounce, and you have to put comma after every 3 digits. Understood? So what is this
Yes.
number?
Ma'am, can you give one more?
Yes, should I repeat?
Can you give one more?
Sure, I'll give you some more questions. This is just to make you understand. 243, comma 405, comma 518. So this is 243 what? Millions, 405,518. Okay, so this sequence is very important. Now let us move to the next slide. You can see 2734. I have written the answer 27349,811. So what is this number? You will proceed from right, extreme right. Ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then what? Million, 10 million. So what is it? 27,349,811. Okay, clear? What is this number? Same thing.
3,000, 3,000, 37,000.
It is not 37,000. Count it from here. Don't be in a hurry.
37 million.
Yes, it is 37 million. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000.
37 million,
37 million,
7,450.
Yes.
987.
What is it? Now
100
count.
million.
100 million,
100,000.
100 million. There is no thousand unit. 100.
100 million, 150.
100 million and 50.
Yes.
150.
100 million, 150.
Anybody has not understood? Aisha, Aga, have you understood this?
Yes.
Aisha?
Yes, I have understood.
Okay. So all of you
Ma'am,
have
I
understood.
want to answer.
I have given you assignment question. You can write your answer in that. Okay. Now we come to face value. There is a difference between place value and face value. Place value means the number into the place where it is placed. Okay. For example, 25486. What is the place value of 5 in this number?
1,000.
5,000. 5,000.
5,000. Don't say only 1,000. Place value, you have to multiply 5 with its place. So 5 into 3 zeros. So that is 5 into 1,000, 5,000. 5,000 is the place value of 5 in this number. But the face value is always the number itself. Whatever is the number. So what is the face value of this number? Face value of this number will be 5 only. Understood?
It is very easy and simple.
That is very easy. You don't have to learn anything for face value. Whatever is the number, that is the face value of the number. Okay? And place value.
Ma'am,
you
but
have,
always in the sums it will be underlined now.
it will be asked. If it is not underlined, it will be asked what is the place value of 5 in this number. If it is not underlined, they will ask like this. So it is clear in the question that, see here they have underlined, so that means you have to find the place value and place value of 5. But they can ask in writing also, what is the place value of this number in this number.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, so this is the comparison that you have to remember between the Indian.
Ma'am, I didn't understand face value, ma'am.
Face value is the number itself. Suppose I give you a number 2456. The face value of number 2 is 2 only.
Okay.
Understood? and place value of number 2 will be 2000. Got it? So this is the comparison. Now you can see the comparison of Indian and international numeration. That is in, you can see the zeros that we were doing just now. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is what Indian system. And
Ma'am, why not 10 crore?
you can write 10 crore, you can write Arab also. I'm taking till crore only because usually the numbers are till here only. And if it is greater than this number, then we write it in the powers of 10. 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to 8, like that we write. We don't write, so it is very inconvenient to write so many numbers together. Okay, you might miss one number. So that is why we can write till here, we might write the numbers till so many digits. But after that, if you want to write, we just put it into 10 raised to in the powers of 10. When you go to higher classes, we write bigger numbers in powers of 10. Understood? How do we write?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
See, I'll just tell you how do we write in higher classes. That is not required for you right now, but you should know that why don't we write such big numbers. Suppose I have to write I have to write 10 zeros. So what I will write? 2 cube for 10 0. So I will write 2 into 10 raised to, no zeros I'll put. 2 into 10 raised to 10. If I write 10 raised to 10, that means I'm multiplying 10 times. So that means 10 zeros are there on 1. Understood? So that is why we don't write so many zeros together. This is just for you to learn that this is the way how we write, how we say the number names. Understood? So till
Yes.
crore, even if you remember till crore or 10 crore, that is okay. Okay, fine. So you should, but you should know how to write.
Minute.
Yes?
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
No, you don't have to write this. You just remember what I'm explaining you. You just have to learn that. Okay. So this is, you can see ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. And this is for international numeric system. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
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 Then is, see this I'll give you in homework assignment. I'll give you the international place value chart. Write the number name according to international place value chart. Don't need to write it. Just tell me what is the first number.
So, Shruti ma'am, can I just interrupt for a minute?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, if you'll have to make me the host. Shazia, you'll have to help me. Just make me the host. Just make me the host itself. All right. So I think this is a good class that you have. They all are good, and I'll just tell them why you need the numbers. You know, who can tell you why do you need to learn all these big numbers? Give me. Let's just we just take a little talking out here. I think I enjoyed your class really. I wish I had a good maths teacher like you. And I'm not joking, I really mean that, because you're allowing students to ask. So tell me, everybody, all those me, Ibrahim says me, Yahya says longer me, tell me 5, 10 me's. Why do you need to learn number system? Okay, and anybody tells me for getting marks, I'm going to take you out of this Zoom classroom.
Actually, I took this question in the first class also. Why do we need numbers?
Okay, so tell me,
Because-
long numbers that you're learning right now, like 7, 0, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Tell me 5 reasons why do we, and your answers can be any answers. Tell me. Who's going to tell me? Juwaria?
Because we will need it in business.
Oh, who said that?
Muhammad Saqib.
We will
Muhammad
get
Saqib
salary.
Men.
How many rupees?
Okay, so all of you, if you're doing business, this is the amount of money you'll make, and if you get salary, you know, Sundar Pichai makes more money than all the numbers here on the screen. So good. So I got 2 answers. Tell me, why would a scientist need these numbers? Come on, scientists out there. Anas Momin, Hamza. Anas, unmute, speak up. Aisha.
Scientists need money for making anything.
Okay, just tell your names, like say
Inventions.
Dawood and the answer. Okay, Ibrahim say inventions. All right. So many inventions. Okay, the 2 answers I got. I'll add on to it. Rushida will tell me the third one. And Aisha, Qazi, and
In
Humaira.
kitchen also you need numbers.
Kitchen also. Okay, so those long numbers you need. That's really right. So I may not need it so much in like daily life, but scientists.
Microwave.
A microwave. What do you need this so big number in microwave?
We need numbers for
How many
calculation.
seconds?
Yeah,
Ah,
if you
how
want
many
to make
seconds?
it
So
You
what
need numbers for how many kilometers to go.
think? Oh, so many kilometers. Okay, maybe the scientists and Earth geographical people need. Then you have to count the number of stars, the galaxies. These are the numbers. Number of people in the world. These are the numbers, isn't it? So what we're going to do
Radius of
is,
Earth.
How many pages?
Ma'am,
How
we
ma-
need these. Ma'am, sir, we need these numbers for calculation.
yeah, we need. Thank you so much. So what I'm going to do, Shruti ma'am, we're again
Yeah.
trying something out. I'm going to make them into breakout rooms. Okay. How many students you got? You got 18. So we all are 18 now. So including you, me, maybe we'll just go into some room. You've got 5 minutes. Breakout room. I'm going to make you into rooms of 4. Just generally 4 or 5 people in one room. You will discuss with one another, and only the first, although it's a practice 1 to 5. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to tell me the numbers. One of you will come back and will ask, Shruti ma'am will ask anybody randomly what you discussed. I'm creating breakout rooms, so you might get to anybody's room. You will discuss with one another. Unmute yourself.
What do we have to
Boys
do?
together and girls
What do
together.
you have to discuss?
Whatever you
Discuss
have learned today.
Huh.
Ma'am,
Discuss the
Uncle,
practice question. Yes.
boys together or boys
No,
and
no,
girls
anybody
together?
will be anybody. Okay, I'm not going to make a room which is, it will be very general room, but it's okay. One of you will take a lead, you will help the other one. So they are actually, there are 4 breakout rooms that we are becoming. Okay, I'm just making up room, open all rooms. Automatically, you will be directed. Okay, automatically, and 5 minutes later, you're coming back. Your whole idea of doing this is first practice. You see, question number 1, 2, 5, 2, 7, 9, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4.
So this
In
they
break,
have done. Sir,
they've
this
done
they
it.
have done. We are
Then-
doing question number 2.
Okay, so question number 2, they will discuss, ma'am, on their own. They will help each other in the breakout room, but you can ask anybody after
Sir,
the
we
breakout room.
don't. Sir, we don't have this chart. So how we can?
Chart is in front of you.
We
Can't
have
you
not
can,
written in our note.
okay, so I'll give you 2 minutes to write only first two, only 1 and 2. Don't write everything. Write 1 and 2. I will
First
pick
and
it up
second.
again. Okay, write 500 twice. Write 112 and 400.
Ma'am, we have to write it is
No.
like this, ma'am.
International.
Ma'am, we have to write like this. 500,000 and 500. We have to write like that.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, did you write it down?
No.
No.
So I want you to write down 1 and 6. Write down 1 and 6, everybody. Just any. So can I make you into teams now? 1 and 6. Shruti ma'am is in some class somewhere.
I would be there in some group.
Yeah, ma'am. I think you will be there in some room.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know whoever that is, but okay. We've got. Okay, Shruti ma'am, I think you will be in some rooms. I have no idea which room will we be allocated. We have some rooms, don't worry, ma'am. So I'm fair enough. I'm okay. Opening rooms, let's.
Hello? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah.
Ibrahim. I'm watching you. Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay.
You can't misbehave.
Okay.
You can go ahead and discuss.
So today we did expanded form, place value, face value,
Hamdan,
standard
did you get it?
numerals.
Whatever ma'am taught you?
Yes.
Yes,
See,
everything.
today we did expanded form, numerals, standard form, and we did international and Indian system. We did face value and place value.
You
We
understood everything, Ibrahim?
Yes, I understood everything.
Okay. Umar, did you understand? Can I hear something from you?
Yes, I understood.
You understood everything?
Very
Is it
chart.
easy peasy?
Yes.
Ah, that's great. And Hamdan, what about you? Is there any
Ma'am.
difficulty?
No.
No, nothing? Understood everything? Very clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good, good, good for you all. You can discuss, you can talk, whatever you like. It's okay.
Umar, switch on your camera.
Yeah, Umar, on your camera, we are not able to see you.
I've not seen you from days.
Ah, that's a bright face. Good, good, Umar.
So-
Discuss of if Umar, did you understand each and everything?
Yes.
Just discuss among yourself.
So I will tell you the Indian system: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Hamdan, you can
And I'll
start
tell the
international.
international one.
Okay, good, good.
Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, and
1,000, 1,000,
thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions.
Good,
Yes,
good,
correct.
good. Umar, you can choose anything, Indian system or international system.
National system.
Okay, go ahead, Umar.
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000.
No, no, it's not 100,000.
It's
In Indian
100,000.
peso.
He's correct,
100,000
Hamdan.
is correct.
100,000,
Ma'am, it's Indian. It's Indian
Million.
peso.
100 million.
This is international system which he's speaking.
Acha, Indian. I thought it was Indian.
Okay, okay, Umar, go ahead.
Million, 10 million, 100 million.
Hello guys, Ibrahim, Umar, Hamdan, how are you?
Yeah, fine. Alhamdulillah.
Fantastic. Ibrahim, you are the team captain in right now. I want the answers. Help everybody. Hamdan, if you didn't understand, Umar didn't understand, ask Ibrahim. Hey, look, all of us have chashmas here. Good. This is the most intelligent team, I think.
See, the first one which ma'am gave 500, 500. So it is international, according to international. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs.
Aram
No,
se,
ones,
Good,
tens,
good. Hold on.
ones, tens,
Take your
100,
time. Take your time.
1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So
Good. Hamdan,
500,000
Umar,
and
unmute yourself.
500.
Umar, unmute yourself. Yeah, talk to one another. You have got volume.
500,000
talk.
and 500.
Good, good.
Person.
Ask your friend Shazia, you're already here, I think. Help them.
Yeah, I'm here. So Ibrahim cannot misbehave. He cannot do any mischief.
No, he's the team lead now. He's doing good. Hamdan, Umar, any help with-
Hamdan, you answer for the second one. The sum I will send you on the chat.
Good Captain Ibrahim.
See, it is international, okay? So be careful. Don't write the Indian one. I messaged it.
Okay.
It is according to international. So be careful and answer. The first one I told at once, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So it is 500,000 and 500. We have only 50 seconds. Come on, answer it fast.
Ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds. I can't
Yes.
answer.
112400. Answer it fast or I will give you a hint. Only 30 seconds are remaining. So I'll tell you ones, tens, 100,000.
11,200.
Yeah, go on. Try it. You are telling it correct. Try.
Hello.
Hey, why did you all come here? Yahya, Ibrahim, Aisha, यहाँ कहाँ आ गए तुम लोग?
I was there only.
Sir, you called.
Yeah.
Sir, you called.
Only 50 seconds were remaining. I was telling Hamdan to tell fast.
Arey, so what? It will automatically take you.
Yeah, it took me automatically.
Acha, okay, all of you automatic game. All right, fine. So I'll not create one. Okay, fine. We learned something in breakout room. I'm also learning. Don't worry. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. You wanted 2 minutes and suddenly it came out in 5-10 seconds itself. You all came. but I think this is what we are learning in the whole breakout room situation. You can create rooms, ma'am. You can go in. Okay, so Shruti ma'am, over to you again. You can speak up. And each breakout room, they have their own captains, so they will tell you two answers at least. 1 minute. Sorry, ma'am. Unmuted you. Shazia, you are the host. Yeah, you done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they have another class, right? Now?
Yeah, we got in 5 minutes here another class, so we already extended ourselves.
Okay,
So it's okay.
fine. We'll continue in the next class. I'll just explain this once again. And children, I have given you assignment. I think I have given you one more topic, greater and smaller numbers. If you are able to do, you can do it. Those who are not understood, if you are not able to do any question, just leave as it is. We'll discuss the assignment in the next class also. Okay? Yes. Yes, Vera? Yes,
Ma'am,
Vera.
can you just show the assignment again so I can copy it down?
Julia,
Assignment is there on Google Classroom.
Yes.
This question we'll do it in the next class. The question which was there on the slide, we'll do it in the next class.
Ma'am, but I discussed it already and I got the answers also.
Okay, good. Next class we'll discuss the answer. Time is not there. The class now. Yeah.
Can I see the
Yeah, you can see Hamza. I will put this video again on YouTube, and tomorrow I will explain to your parents also where you can watch all the videos. If you are allowed.
Ma'am, we have to write the number names now.
which
Yes.
video?
Yes. All right, everybody. Bye bye. I'm closing the class. I'll discuss
Yeah.
whatever questions you have in Shabana ma'am's class.
Don't close,
Bye.
please.
Okay. Bye.
No, close it. We'll go after the class.
Bye.
Bye, children. See you in the next class.